Shrikant, where the hell are you? क्या हुआ?
But I got the candle.
बाकी सब कहाँ गए?
अरे मुझे नहीं पता यार।
मुझे नहीं पता का मतलब क्या?
पता नहीं, पीछे रह गए होंगे।
हमें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था। मैंने बोला था हमें वो चीज़ नहीं करनी चाहिए थी।
अरे अब ये सोचा आगे क्या करना है।
No, we can't do anything because things have gone too far. And we'll have to face the consequences.
अरे तो देख क्या।
Don't.
अरे I'll be back.
अरे यार, cut यार, cut. Guys, that was a good shot. I need a break. I need a break. Guys, can I get a refill?
यार तुम लोग भी क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसे? आज तो नींद भी नहीं आने वाली है रात को। हद है।
Yeah, Sakshi, stop acting like a baby, yaar. Every time, seriously. These guys are just messing with your head. You know that. These stories don't even have any facts to support them as such.
What makes you say that? How can you be so sure of that? There are things on internet. There are things on books.
So bullshit.
And why I'm going so far? There are things.
Yeah,
Let me complete.
You're right.
There are things in our holy scriptures as well.
अबे ये सब कुछ नहीं होता है, ठीक है? फालतू बातें
क्या
हैं,
बोल
फर्जी।
रहा है तू?
सही है यार।
इंटरनेट पे पढ़ के अपना दिमाग सड़ा रही हो।
अच्छा, अब इंटरनेट की बात तुम बताओगे हमें? हाँ,
तुम बताओ, इंटरनेट में फेसबुक के आगे कुछ किए भी हो? हाँ? और ये सबसे बड़ा फालतू है।
You're
इसकी बात
right,
सबसे
you're
पहले की
right.
गई है।
Guys, get serious, okay? What he's saying is right. End of the day.
व्हाट इज सेइंग इज राइट। जब पता ना तो बोला मत कर बीच में, ठीक है ना? तू तेरे को पता है क्या, साइंस ने भी प्रूव किया है इसको, ठीक है ना? और तू साइंस का बात छोड़, मेरे को लगता है तू टीवी भी नहीं देखता है।
you're
right.
हाँ, टीवी अगर तू देखता है तो कम से कम इतना पता होता है कि टीवी में भी दिखाया है कि हाँ ये एग्जिस्ट करते हैं हमारे साथ दुनिया में।
Dude, it's not that I don't watch TV, but I watch intelligent channels. You know that all these footages and all this TV shit that they put up are all doctored. They just carry a tagline and think they can pull off anything with this.
Not everything shown on television is fake. There are people who have faced these horrible things.
Vishakha, but end of the day, I'm a realist. You know, I have to experience something like this to actually start believing in it. I mean, otherwise, who knows? This all might just be a fake.
देख पवन, ये सारी बातें मजाक से शुरू होती है, बट बाद में बहुत सीरियस हो जाता है।
अरे बंद करो ना यार ये सब बेकार की बातें। क्यों बिना मतलब च्युइंगम टाइप खींच रहे हो इसको? और विशाखा तू क्यों सीरियस हो रही है? चिल मारना यार।
Look, I really hope that you never have to go through these traumatic incidences ever.
Experiences? Talking about experience? Have you experienced this? Have you? Or have you? You guys have no right to talk about it if you haven't gone through any of this. I mean, think about it, guys. Actually, I don't even give a damn about this. I mean, who does?
I do. I give a damn.
Seriously, Basu? I mean, come on. You believe in all this shit?
I know things. Things which you guys have not even heard of.
You know things? Prove it to us.
Pawan, just let it go. I don't want to get into all this.
Come on, Basu. Don't be a spoil sport. Tell us one of the stories already.
Okay. I'll tell you the story. This is about a song. Or I should say, the cursed song. As the legend goes, after listening to this song, people die. As a matter of fact, more than 150 people have died, including its composer till date, just because of this song. And then, there was this deal. A deal with the demon. The demon chose a guy, a normal regular guy, whom I knew. And he made him do things which you could not even imagine, in turn for the lives of his loved ones. He made the guy propagate the song to as many people as possible, so that they could all come under the demon's influence. The guy whom I'm talking about, he had to go through a lot of pain. But slowly, it came under the demon's influence, the demon's total control. And after that, he became ruthless. And he was no more remorseful for killing more.
Oh my God. What is the song called?
Gloomy Sunday. I need to take a break.
That was a pile of rubbish we just heard. Gloomy Sunday. Yeah, every Sunday is gloomy, damn it. The next day is Monday. Come on. Oh man, Vasu, what's he gotten into?
Yeah. Play the song.
Hang on for it.
No, मत करो यार ये सब अभी.
Check this out.
Sunday is gloomy, my hours are slumbering, not where the black coach of sorrow has taken you.
पवन प्लीज स्टॉप दैट सॉन्ग. तुमने सुना नहीं क्या इसने क्या बोला? आई डोंट वांट माय सेल्फ टू गेट इन्वॉल्वड इन ऑल दीस थिंग्स. सीरियसली.
और कौन तो खुद के कारण क्यों सबको इन्वॉल्व कर रहे हैं यार उसमें? प्लीज स्टॉप इट कौन. प्लीज
Yeah,
स्टॉप
yeah,
इट
तुम लोग.
अरे चलो यार निकलते हैं.
Bye
बाय साक्षी.
Good night, Sakshi.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Good night.
Where have you been?
कहाँ थे? We have been calling you. We have been waiting all this while.
Yeah, I was stuck up in some work. I mean, it just caught me out. I'm here now. Tell me what happened. What's wrong?
साक्षी को कुछ पता चला?
No, man. I haven't heard from her nor anyone else. It's crazy.
उसकी mom का call आया था. And she was saying that she's acting weird. वो सपने में चिल्ला रही है. वो खाना भी नहीं खा रही है.
This is bad. This is very bad.
Guys, you know what? I have something to tell you guys. I've been going through some strange things recently. It's like the people around me always, they're constantly freaking me out. It's crazy, man. I don't know how to react to this. I mean, I feel I shouldn't have even played that song to start with.
Even I have to admit, I feel that someone is watching over me all the time.
Guys, stop freaking me out. मैं पहले से बहुत डरा हुआ हूँ.
Shekhar, this is not about freaking out, man. Understand, people are very
Fine, then
suffering
what
here.
with others?
चीजें बदल नहीं जाएंगी ना तुम्हारे डरने से.
I don't know, man. No one's picking up their calls. What about Basu?
I tried calling him. He's not answering my calls.
Call him, man. Call him again.
Call him now. I hope he picks up his call this time.
Why is this happening to me? I shouldn't have played that song. This is all my mistake. I shouldn't have dragged them into all this. This pain. This is much more than what I expected.
What have you done to me? Please let me go.
Stop your sobbing! Your friends are as worthless as any of those.
Listen, if you don't leave my friends, our deal is off.
I make the rules here. And you damn well follow them.
Then what do you want me to do?
You know what to do now.
shadows. I live with the numberless